Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network ties to Overledger. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. As far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with QNT in real time, folks. Any information for us? I found something interesting from Tokenizer, posted 4 hours ago. Folks, he's always on fire, Tokenizer. Let me repost this even before reading this post of his, folks. He always does a remarkable job. So anyways, look at this. Oracle blockchain's success stories are a lot more clear after the QNT news. We can see customers of Oracle blockchain which directly uses Overledger. So the ties with Overledgers, as you know, is deep. VC utility in sustainability, healthcare, invoicing, money transfer, AML tracking, and shipping. Obviously, all of these are important, supply chain and everything. Some of these names are no small fry either. For example, AJIB operates financial services across Jordan, Qatar, and Cyprus is using OBP for money transfers. By the way, the Middle East folks, be it Qatar or other regions, they are becoming really digital asset friendly. We've talked about the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. They are really becoming the hub for digital assets. So services like these will continue to increase in this region and these states. Anyways, we can see Circular, which is a UK sustainability company that is also backed and used by various auto firms such as look at the names over here now, folks. These are brands: Volvo, Volkswagen, Ford, and more. More specifically, Circular is using OBP for transparent data with sourcing of minerals. EastNets is a financial reporting company, and they were ranked 14th in Chartis Research's annual Financial Crime and Compliance 50 report for 2024. Awesome. And to top it all, of Global Shipping Business Network, GSBN is using the solutions from IQX for a blockchain platform for global trade. So these are the stakes, folks. Every sector, every segment can benefit from blockchain. They can benefit from the capabilities of DLT and projects like Quant, XDC, XRP, and these other that we constantly cover. Look at this. GSBN consists of members. Look at the members: HSBC, Bank of China, Ant Group, Oracle, Microsoft, and more. So the ties to Overledger in the fine print as always. So the ties to Overledger are deep because eventually, if DLT takes hold of these different industries, different sectors, the Quant Network can be significant in providing services and use cases by utilizing Overledger, folks. Look at this: blockchain customer stories. Okay. Ceres delivers faster and safer invoicing on Oracle blockchain platform. Arab Jordan Investment Bank, AJIB expedites cross-border money transfers with Oracle blockchain. HealthSync uses Oracle blockchain platform to power more intelligent healthcare. MTO Global gains a secure and reliable integrated mileage platform with Oracle. Retraced deploys sustainability platform on OCI and blockchain, improving sales. Everyone utilizing these new technologies for the better. Circular over here offers transparency for minerals sourcing with Oracle blockchain. EastNets delivers real-time anti-money laundering updates with Oracle blockchain. Various use case and significant use case from the looks of it. GSPN and IQAX speed global shipping, improve sustainability with OCI blockchain. So these are the stakes. This is what we're talking about. Look at this. Lens says, I wish they'd flipped the switch already. It is cool to see Oracle blockchain success stories unfolding, especially with the QNT news. Reminds me of how Noun Space is all about community-driven growth and customization. We're building a future where users have the power to shape their own social universe. It is crazy how QNT is not $2,000 with all these partnerships and its government connections. Just patience is required. I agree. These projects require patience because memes, they increase with hype. If the hype continues on, speculation increases, and obviously everything is due to hype. These projects, they're taking a while. Obviously they're not taking a while. They've done really well up until this point as well. Only with speculation they've done well for their capability and for what they can do. Anyways, this is Sebastian over here. 3 orchestrated pump and dumps in a row. Ridiculous and unworthy for a token like QNT. Folks, we cover all aspects of a project, be it good, be it bad. But I saw the chart over this time around. It was due to market volatility. The entire market has been behaving really strangely and awkwardly. Look at this. I agree with JG over here. The whole market is one big manipulated scam. I mean, I agree. A lot of times you see that the entire market is it increases with institutions manipulating it, decreases after that. So this is natural, in my opinion. Ever since that 2021 bull run, and where new bigger investors are now involved with a lot of money. I mean, we have seen oftentimes market react really strangely, to be honest. It is not your conventional that this is this bull cycle, the market is going to be doing this and going up in certain way, but overall however a market reacts in the short term, we're concerned with the longer time frame, folks. Let's just hope that in the longer time frame, QNT and these projects that we cover, they do well. That is what we want, basically. Look at this. When the move comes, it's going to come out of nowhere and it's going to be explosive. Future QNT SAN over here. Okay. Yeah, number of employees and different stuff. Let's hope that Quant can do well. Can QNT hit $1,600 this bull run? Folks, I'm going to be showing this video to you in a moment. First, let's see what other posts do we have. Then we can cap this video with a crypto charged video. If you know about crypto charged, we've covered them in Casper coverage as well. They constantly cover Casper. So yeah. QNT take profit price targets $700 and $1,600 basically. QNT, look at this. From the looks of it, folks, the choppy price action, I agree with that. But if you look at the medium-term time frame, look at this, getting narrower and narrower. And hopefully it goes above $100 soon, because if it does, then it can go on and test these levels over here. Okay. Chainlink employs over 600 people with an average salary of 111,553. Link is also a great project. Link holders, go research QNT. You're welcome. Okay. With full QNT utility in place, price jumps from $1 will shift to 10 to 100 a trade. BTC 100k plus. QNT secret meetings. Are you spy? Can we get anything interesting? Any interesting post? Okay, so Sebastian over here is being a bit realistic, at the same trying to be a bit pragmatic, but I think QNT can do really well, to be honest. The only $1,000 token stuck at $95 even with all this bullishness. Oracle OBPDA launch. Sebastian being realistic that yeah, it should be more, folks, to be honest. What with the capability it has, extreme scarcity on exchanges, global patented tech, rewards for developers, staking will be introduced, less circulating supply than BTC, interoperates virtually every asset in this space. Think about this for a second, and after you're done running to American-based cryptos, realize the new financial infrastructure and its backbone. It's called Quant Network, and the token is QNT. I agree with Sebastian, but oftentimes there are narratives as well. At this moment, this is the ongoing narrative, American-based projects and how America is trying to become that hub for digital assets. But in the longer term time frame, all these utility projects, they can do well. Ripple can survive, QNT can survive, and Hedera can survive. All of them can survive in the long run and make a place for themselves in this industry. We can have multiple winners, folks. So this is the narrative. This is why it is happening. This is natural, so I'm not worried about that. But I agree that we should QNT seems to be really undervalued with what it has to offer. Okay, let me bookmark this post. We can cover this in a future project. This seems like a we have to translate it, and this seems like a good post, good thread, basically, folks. Yeah, we can cover this in the next project coverage. Okay, seems interesting. Some fundamental analysis, we can translate this. Anyways, we're going to be capping this video out with the crypto charged video. Let's see how it goes. The ties with QNT are good. Partnerships, the ties with Overledger seem decent as well. What do crypto charged have to say?
We can actually take a quick look at the QNT chart here together, guys, and just kind of take a quick peek. Let's go ahead and just remove some of the stuff off of our chart here. Obviously, we're going to see a lot of volatility with other things here in the market, but QNT had really great growth here in 2019, so you guys can see that we had some, aggressive impulses, a lot of pullbacks in here. It's very healthy to see that. We did leave some imbalance behind on QNT. It's right around the $15 mark. I think we're kind of past that at this point. I think we're probably in a spot where we are with like Matic, maybe Solana, not revisiting some of those low levels. But when we look at some of the support that came in here, right over in here, right? So this is going to be that key support level that we identify, and then we also have like this support level in here. And then we of course have this resistance, and then we've got imbalance up much higher in here, right? So we can look at this a lot of different ways, but QNT has held up quite well. We defended the 2022 lows here. We didn't deviate below those. Of course, you guys can look at this scam wick down here. I try not to consider those as part of it. Zcash also has one of these. I can point to a lot of other charts that have these. Again, this is also the aggregated crypto chart. So sometimes it's going to incorporate scam wicks that were present on maybe like a Bybit chart or some other like smaller exchange, right? But when we look at the support level in here, decent support here, 89. That's a great pivot zone to consider. So if you guys do get another chance anywhere between 82 and 89, that might be a good spot to pick up more QNT here. Of course, you have resistance here at 148, and then major resistance between 227, and then that imbalance at 259. So even from current market to 259, it's about 150% increase. Now let's go ahead and bring our Fibonacci in here, guys. And this is a great tool for target making. We show you guys how to set this up very cleanly. When you guys drop the template from TradingView, it can be a bit messy. There's a lot of rainbow colors on here. It kind of just distracts from the chart, especially if you got other things running like moving averages. It becomes a bit difficult to read. So if you guys want to, again, 30-day free trial, you guys can go and look at all these resources, raid them, please. I encourage you guys to race through in 30 days all of our resources in the library, and if you decide it's still not for you, go for it, but like take the education. It's going to be free. If you guys look at the targets here for the Fibonacci based targets, 650 to upwards of almost $1,700. So if we were to snag an entry off, let's say, like we said, maybe 82 or so, up to that 1.618, roughly a 7x reward potentially, and then maybe upwards almost a 20x reward up into that 4.236 if we saw a full extension. Now, I'm not going to go super in depth on the Litecoin chart, but you did ask about it. Might as well do a little comparison here. And again, here's one of the things that I'm looking at here. Let's pull out to the 3-day chart because we have a lot more price history, right? We have all the way back to 2013. So this is XRP-esque in relations to how long this market has been developing here. You had a beautiful flip of the 2013 high in here. That is one of the absolute most perfect things you can see from a textbook example there. You have this big pennant structure in here. If you guys have studied the XRP chart long enough, Do a little comparison here. You're going to see a lot of, very uncanny similarities. And you guys can see we're below the 236, which is one of those areas of interest that we do like. So I actually do like current market price. Maybe, 113 might be a slightly better price. And we look at current market up into the 1.618, roughly a 4.7x, maybe up to a 13x into that 4.236. Now, of course, we can always see deviations and pushes beyond those, but I try to make things one for one, right? So if I pair up risk to reward, right? QNT takes the cake on that all day long. And then we also pair up technology. And again, personally, I'm not shitting on proof of work. I just know that there are consensus mechanisms out there that are just vastly more efficient. QNT also takes the cake there. So if I were to say QNT versus Litecoin,
Folks, both fundamentals and technicals of QNT seems decent. What do you guys think about these ties with Overledger and QNT? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you like it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.